The Process Works Order screen is used to search for and process works orders individually or in bulk through to completion based on an array of filtering options. Works orders in Stage 200 manufacturing are processed individually via the options at the top of the works order list through to closure and cannot be processed in bulk. In contrast, Sicon doesn't have any processing options at the top of the works order list, and although you can process an individual works order from within the works order itself, the Process Works Order feature has been designed to provide a quick and efficient way of processing works orders from start to finish. At the top of the form, there are several filters and sorting options to refine the types of works orders you want to view and process. The status drop-down defaults to all current works orders, however you can select other works order statuses from the list. By default, the due date search criteria is set to 1 month before and 1 month after today. This can be changed within the works order settings. When you are ready to display the filtered works orders, select Search. Works orders can still be processed individually by selecting the box next to the works order, or you can use a combination of Select All and manual deselection of works orders to quickly process in bulk. Works orders with subassemblies can be easily identified by the add symbol to the left of the works order number. This can be expanded to view and process the subassembly works order. Should you wish to export the list to Excel for further review, select the Send to Excel button, which formats the data to facilitate this. Then right-click and select Export All or Selected to Excel. Using the buttons at the bottom of the form, selected works orders can be edited, allocated, unallocated, issued, and booked. You can also print single report types or batch print multiple report types. Put works orders on or off hold and link works orders to sales orders. This adds a pre-allocation link to the works order, allowing the sales order to be viewed from within the works order and vice versa, and allocates the finished item to the sales order when it is booked into stock. Unallocated or unissued works orders can also be deleted from this form. If a works order is processed through to completion and the works order has been booked, the works order will remain on the form until the search option is selected again, which will refresh the list. In summary, this seemingly simple function provides a wealth of information and functionality, saving you and your team valuable time and energy in relation to processing or reporting on works orders.